Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are excited to bring you 12 kitchen gadgets on Amazon. We cover topics about Amazon products and gadgets on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. Number 1. Dry Food Dispenser. Introducing the ZZEVRO/GAT200 Indispensable Dry Food Dispenser, the ultimate kitchen companion. With its sleek black and chrome design, this dispenser adds a touch of modern elegance to your space. Dual control functionality allows for precise portioning, making snack time a breeze. Say goodbye to messy countertops and hello to convenience. Elevate your kitchen experience with this must-have dispenser, combining style and functionality seamlessly. Get yours now and simplify your life in style. Number 2. Sandwich Maker. Revolutionize your mornings with the Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker, 25490A, in sleek silver. Craft 2 delicious sandwiches simultaneously with its innovative design. The built-in timer ensures perfect results every time. Versatile and easy to use, this appliance assembles your favorite ingredients into a mouth-watering breakfast masterpiece. Say goodbye to the drive-thru rush, elevate your breakfast game effortlessly. Make mornings memorable with this must-have kitchen essential. Order the Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker now and savor the convenience of a gourmet breakfast at home. Number 3. Mini Fridge for Bedroom. Elevate your personal space with the culinary Mini Fridge in stylish pink, your ultimate companion for bedroom, car, office, and dorm room. This portable 4L/6 can electric wonder doubles as a cooler and warmer, ensuring your food, drinks, skincare, and beauty essentials stay at the perfect temperature. With both 12V AC/DC and an exclusive USB option, enjoy convenience wherever you go. Compact, efficient, and fashionable, the culinary Mini Fridge is a must-have for those who prioritize both style and functionality. Upgrade your refreshment experience. Order now for cool vibes in every setting. Number 4. Heart-Shaped Waffle Maker. Indulge in love-shaped breakfast delights with the Dash Multi-Mini Heart-Shaped Waffle Maker in vibrant red. Create 6 adorable heart waffles that bring joy to every bite. For a sweet twist, pair it with the Dash Mini Donut Maker in charming donut print. Perfect for kid-friendly breakfasts, these compact machines add fun and flavor to your mornings. Elevate your breakfast game with Dash, where delicious meets delightful. Number 5. Electric Pressure Cooker. Experience culinary versatility with the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker in sleek stainless steel. This 8-quart powerhouse combines 7 kitchen appliances in one: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker, warmer, and sterilizer. Included with the Instant Pot is an app featuring over 800 recipes for endless inspiration. Simplify your cooking routine and create delicious meals with ease. Upgrade to the Instant Pot Duo for convenience that enhances your culinary journey. Order now and savor the flavors of effortless cooking. Number 6. Wrap Box Organizer. Declutter your kitchen with the Utopia Wrap Stand Kitchen Wrap Box Organizer. This sleek, one-size-fits-all caddy neatly stores and dispenses aluminum foil, plastic wrap, and parchment paper. Say goodbye to messy drawers and hello to easy access and organization. The compact design fits seamlessly in any kitchen, making it a must-have for efficient storage. Upgrade your kitchen experience with the Utopia Wrap Stand, where convenience meets order. Get yours now for a tidier, more functional kitchen space. Number 7. Weston Burger Press. Craft perfect burgers with the Weston Burger Press, your key to uniform 4.5 diameter patties. Ideal for hamburgers, crab cakes, and sausage, this double press ensures consistent results from 1/4 pound to 3/4 pound. The spring ejector makes patty removal a breeze, and the non-stick, heavy-duty cast aluminum promises durability and easy cleanup. Elevate your grilling game with precision and efficiency. Get the Weston Burger Press now for gourmet quality patties every time. Number 8. Immersion Hand Blender. Unlock culinary creativity with the Kilitos 5-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender in vibrant red. This powerful handheld stick blender features 12 speeds and durable 304 stainless steel blades for versatile blending. Equipped with a chopper, beaker, whisk, and milk frother, it's a kitchen powerhouse for smoothies, baby food, sauces, purees, and soups. Elevate your culinary experience with this efficient, multifunctional blender. Upgrade your kitchen arsenal. Get the Kilitos 5-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender in red and unleash your inner chef. Number 9. Coffee and Spice Grinder. Enhance your coffee and spice experience with the Krupp's Silent Vortex Grinder in sleek black. This 175-watt powerhouse is 5 times quieter, creating a more peaceful kitchen atmosphere. The removable, dishwasher-safe bowl makes cleanup a breeze. With the capacity to grind 12 cups, it effortlessly handles dry herbs, nuts, and more. Elevate your culinary creations with the quiet efficiency of the Krupp's Silent Vortex Grinder. Transform your kitchen. Order now for a quieter, more convenient grinding experience. Number 10. Manual Slow Cooker. Simplify mealtime with the Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker in timeless stainless steel, SCV 700 SBR. This kitchen essential effortlessly prepares flavorful dishes with its spacious 7-quart capacity. The simple, manual controls make cooking a breeze, while the oval shape accommodates large cuts of meat. Elevate your culinary convenience with the Crock-Pot Slow Cooker, where delicious meets easy. Invest in efficiency and flavor. Order the stainless steel SCV 700 SBR now for a seamless slow cooking experience. Number 11. Stainless Steel Box. Add a pop of color to your kitchen with the Rachael Ray Tools and Gadgets Stainless Steel Box Grater in vibrant teal blue. This versatile grater effortlessly tackles vegetables, chocolate, and hard cheeses, adding convenience to your culinary adventures. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, and the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip. Elevate your kitchen tools with Rachael Ray's signature style and functionality. Upgrade to the teal blue box grater and make your kitchen prep a breeze. Order now for a touch of vibrancy in every shred. Number 12. Container Lid Organizer. Bring order to your kitchen chaos with the Utopia Storalid Food Container Lid Organizer in clean white. This large, BPA-free organizer is designed for adjustable plastic lid storage, providing a solution for kitchen cabinet and drawer organization. Keep lids easily accessible and neatly arranged, eliminating clutter and saving you time. Simplify your kitchen routine with this versatile organizer that complements any space. Upgrade to the Utopia Storalid for efficient, stress-free lid management. Order now and enjoy a clutter-free kitchen. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you found the products showcased in this video helpful and interesting. All product purchase links in the description and comment box.